gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Singapore Zoo and to the Elephants of Asia exhibit. Now, as you can see, the elephants are here and they are ready to start the show. The question is, are you all ready for the show? Let's try that one more time. Are you ready for the show? Alright, let's go. And here they come. Well, these gentle giants have walked side by side with man for hundreds of years. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together. A nice warm welcome for our beautiful Asian elephants. Last but certainly not least, we have Jati. I've heard of they are welcoming all of you to Elephants. Kilograms, but despite that they have an excellent sense of balance, as the gorilla is demonstrating by walking along that log. Now once she reaches the end, she's going to show off a little bit more, this time by turning over to the other side. Okay, you want her to go? And look at that, she makes it look so easy. How about a round of applause for all that effort, guys? You know, they say that the walk of an elephant can be compared to the dance of a ballerina because elephants walk on their toes. As I mentioned already, a fully grown elephant can weigh up to 4,000 kilograms. And of course, the mahouts will never weigh close to that. So you probably wonder, how do they guide the elephants? Well, we're going to find out. Good afternoon, mahouts.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, wait, let's try that one more time. One more time, guys. Good afternoon, mahouts. Okay, a little bit better. Hi, guys. Can we have the elephants stand to their right, please? Now, simple words of instruction from the mahouts, and the elephants turn to their right. And look at that, they rarely rely on their anchors, which is a guiding tool. There you go. The elephants turn to their left. What do you guys think? Are you impressed? I guess not. Rama, can we do something more impressive? Okay, I was thinking, let's get the elephants to fly. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Our lady's getting into position. 1 foot off the ground, propelling up the trunks. Faster, faster, faster. Alright, what happened? The ears are not big enough, is it? Complaining? Tomorrow. Oh, I'm so sorry. You guys are going to come back on Monday. Of course, we were just kidding. We're going to take this time to show off more of our mahouts' guiding skills. Now, all these verbal instructions are learned over a really long time. And elephants are in fact so intelligent, they are known to point out mistakes made by their mahouts. And speaking of which, look at that, our ladies to the rescue, picking up the anchors, which is a guiding tool, and returning it to their favorite mahouts. Thank you, ladies. Alright, you know, the elephant's trunk is one of the best features of the elephant. Very powerful, but also sensitive enough to pick up an object as tiny as a single coin. Now, if you don't believe me, we're going to demonstrate this for you today. Clement's got his coin, and there you go, placing it on the ground. And look at this, how easy. She picks it up, and gives it back to Clement. Clement, I think the coin is a bit hard to see on the floor. Can we try something bigger? Ah, your hat. Okay, so now we're really going to see how she uses the trunk. Basically, just like a finger and a thumb to grasp the hat. Gambe, you're supposed to give it back to Clement, Gambe. That's not very nice. Oh, give her one more chance. Okay. And look at that. She's changing her tactic a little bit, flipping it over. And this time, There you go. This time she's got a firm grip on the hat, and now walking over to Clement. And check this out. She's going to place the hat onto his head. So now taking careful aim. Careful aim. She places the hat onto his head. And a few gentle taps to make sure it's in place. Not too many gumby. And paying Shane nice hand to truck shake. And to seal the deal, we're going to finish that off with a nice, big, juicy kiss. I hope you enjoyed that, Clement. Okay, kissing aside, we're going to carry on with the next part of the show and demonstrate how elephants use their trunks to reach out for... Oh, what's going on? Why is she shaking her head? Okay. Hey, Clement, did you forget something? You forgot her reward because Gumby knows kisses are not for free, isn't that right, Gumby? There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have for Gumby and the hair called 11. Thank you, guys. Okay, so now focus your attention to Jati on the right-hand side of this exhibit. Like I said, we're going to show you how elephants reach out for objects by getting Jati to eat those bananas high up in the tree. And if you don't think she can do it, check this out. You're going to get a leg up all the way up. And you know she's going to consume the entire comb of bananas, peel and everything. Look at that. In fact, you know elephants only have 4 teeth in their mouth. And these 4 teeth are humongous, weighing in at about 1.5 kilograms per tooth. So now we're going to focus on the strength of the elephant's legs. Firstly, Gumby set a stage using her hind legs. She's going to kick and roll that log, inching it closer towards the water. Using their front feet. So what we have are a couple of coconuts which the girls are going to crush. So I suggest you bring up your ears and listen up to this. Okay, good, that's one. And the other as well. If you're not impressed, try that at home and I assure you, you are not going to get as far. For now, keep your eyes focused to Jati on the right hand side of this exhibit. She's going to use her head and trunk power. Take that big heavy log, push it off the ramp and into the water. Really huge splash as well. Thank you, Jati. Okay, so now let me take this time to introduce the elephants a little bit better. Now here at the zoo we have 5 elephants. They're all females and they all come from different parts of Asia. Now, Aprilla heading into the water, she's 22. She's the youngest here today and she comes from Indonesia. Earlier on in the morning show, we saw her half-sister Intan, who is also 22 and also from Indonesia as well. Up on land, we have got the 2 Malaysian elephants. Jati on the left, she's over 30, and Gumby on the right-hand side, she is 28 this year, and they are said to be the gentlest of all the elephants. Apart from that, we also have Komali, who is the only Sri Lankan elephant here in the Singapore Zoo. She's actually 47 years old this year, and that's retired from the show. Now, I'm sure many of you are probably thinking the elephants all look the same, so if you like a picture plus a description, you can come down to Hati. We've got a signboard with all 5 elephants, picture plus description, okay? So now Aprilla is pretty busy with her log. Now, what she's going to do actually is to take this log onto land. It looks like she's taking a little bit of a toilet break in the water, so maybe that's why she's a bit distracted. We're going to give her some time, and the ladies are very good at multitasking as it is. So, right now is the easy part. She's pushing the log through the water, letting it float for now, and just guiding it along the way. Now, very interestingly, you know that the Mahoos are giving verbal instructions, and it's pretty amazing that even while Aprilla is in the water, she can hear them, she understands what is being asked, and now she's doing all the work that needs to be done. So last time, push, push, and boom! You all know that the Mahoos are giving verbal instructions to the elephants. Now they learned this over a long time with a lot of training and repetition, and they are even known to point out mistakes made by the Mahoos. Another thing you might not know about this language is that it is not any of the languages we use in Singapore, but actually Komali's native language of Sinhalese. And that's because, of course, she comes from Sri Lanka, And when she first came to the Singapore Zoo, she was really fully trained in her native language. Therefore, the Mahoos decided to maintain the tradition and invite all the elephants that came to the Singapore Zoo are all trained in Sinhalese. So there you go, look at that. Almost push. And in superstition it goes, ladies and gentlemen. How about a round of applause for this beautiful young lady? Thank you, Kula. Well done. Okay, next up we're going to demonstrate something not a lot of people know and that I didn't actually know either, which is that you can estimate an elephant's height using their feet. So what the Mahoos are doing is taking the measurement of the elephant's front foot. Now, so 2 times the circumference of the elephant's front foot equals to the height of the elephant. So once they take this measurement, they double it on the ropes. And then after that, they're going to hold it up against the elephant so you can see for yourself. And then we're going to find out how tall they really are. Okay, so Uday is ready. How tall is Jati? Yes. 2.6 meters. Okay, and what about Gambing? 2.4 meters. There you go. You know, after they're here at the Singapore Zoo, the elephants are actually pretty much just like you or me. They look forward to their bath. But being as big as they are, they need to lie down first. And believe it or not, to get them to do that, it only takes one single word. Isn't that right, Udaya? Hello? You're hiding over there. Good afternoon. I was telling them one word, all the elephants will lie down.
One word, yes.
Very good. What Hida said, and that simply means lie down in Sinhalese. Are you so pleased with yourself? What about Jati? She needs to lie down. She's an elephant. Oh, she didn't hear you. Okay. It's being stubborn. Do you have any food? Maybe you can offer her. A pear. Okay. No. What's wrong with it? She doesn't like it because it's sitting in your sweat. Yeah, she's trying to steal your food. Okay, careful. Stop her. Okay. Careful, huh? It's being so difficult. Okay, let's try maybe her favorite fruit.
Which one?
Durian.
Durian, right? Come on up.
Oh, the monkey ate the durian. Yeah, I saw it just now in the banana soup. So,
So the durian is gonna work, is it?
not gonna work.
No, we want those leaves and branches.
Branches, really?
You don't trust me, you ask Kathy.
Okay, Jati, darling, are you gonna use those to lie down? Look at that. So she's trying to shake her head and tell us no need for pen, no need for durian. This is what she needs. So we're gonna give her a little bit of time to find her space. I get a good position as well. Hey, what's she doing now?
Yes, this is a natural behavior.
Natural behavior to do what?
Trying to get rid of the sand and insects stuck to those leaves.
I'll get her a sun.
Fluffing the pillow before you go to sleep.
Okay, she's getting rid of all the extra nasty stuff on the leaves, like how we fluff our pillow. Yes, what's
Now she
the...
wanted the snack.
Oh, okay, she's got her food. Down she goes. Hey, Gafe, oh. Up come the girls. Now the girls always know when it's time for food, so we're gonna end the show. We gotta get Jati up. Yes, show over already. She's still chewing her food. That's not working. Why don't you ask Gambe to help you? Adam, Gambe, you gotta touch her at least. Gambe, hey, what's so gentle? The darling girl. Hey, that is like a massage, almost like cat massage, so gentle. Any other ideas?
Yeah, one more.
Yes.
Take that entire crowd, make some noise.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we need your help. Clap your hands, clap your feet, make some noise. Oh, hang on. Okay, why you keep losing your hair? Hang on a second. You need to super glue it on next time.
You got an idea?
Okay.
Let me ask you, right? Okay. Don't lie.
Is she talking about her toilet break?
No,
No.
she's talking to me.
Okay, what did she say? You are not helpful at all. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Hey, you don't.
Wait, ask Aprila, she will know.
Okay. Aprila, darling, do you know what Gambe was saying? No? What? She has such big ears, she cannot listen.
Hey.
Yeah.
You misunderstood.
Okay.
Aprila come from Indonesia.
Indonesia and
Gambe is from Malaysia.
Malaysia. Of course, we have a language barrier. So what now?
Okay, they have a common elephant language.
Common language.
You will know.
Okay. Okay. Now, Aprila, double confirm, you know what's going on, right? Yes. Okay. Do you guys understand? No, right? They don't understand.
Very simple.
Yes, I think I got it this time. Alright? Gambe, quietly, okay, suck out a lot of water. Okay, only don't get any fish, okay? Okay, carefully. Jaldi comes with a wet surprise. Thank you, Gambe. That was a really great idea. Hey, Dati, you gotta be kidding me. How funny. She's just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. We have officially come to the end of the elephant presentation, and our beautiful ladies would like to thank you for joining us. So, ladies, take it away. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, both the elephants and Mahoots have put in their best effort just for all you guys have. But one last time, give it up for all Mahoots and the beautiful Asian elephants. Okay, now the show may be over, but those of you who are in the know, of course, there's a line forming already. We are feeding the elephants. You can purchase a basket of food for $5. Just do me a favor and please line up in the queue for those of you sitting here as well. I know you're sitting here already. Please join the queue and try not to come in on the sides if you can. Thank you very much. Okay, so a couple of things about the feeding. The first thing is